And alright, welcome back to Tech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be telling you guys on how to set up a WireGuard VPN configuration file that will run up to 300 Mbps. So the first step here at Tech YouTube channel, you first subscribe to this YouTube channel, then we share the video, and after, if you get any problem, the comment section is open. So let us go to Google Play Store and then we download the application. I'm going to search WireGuard VPN. Alright, search WireGuard VPN application and download the application in your mobile device. This is the application I'm talking about. After downloading it, make sure to open it. I recommend all my users to use the darker theme or the dark mode to protect their eyes from intense light. So this is what we're going to do next. But before continuing, this tutorial is for informational and educational purposes only. So we are not reliable to what users will access, and users may be using this application at their own risk. Users are requested to comply, agree, and follow the terms and conditions of the internet service providers in a specific country or a locality. So let us continue to the Google Play Store, and after downloading application, we open it and we are now in the application. We want to create the application, but to create the application we must be using this plus button. So this is what we're going to do next. Head over to your home screen and then look for any type of browser. You may be having Opera Mini, Firefox, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and other types of browsers. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using Google Chrome, this one. Head over to Google Chrome, create a new tab, and after creating a new tab, we're going to go where we search from, and then we type in UDP custom. I recommend all users, viewers, subscribers to choose the first in the search. You're going to go right here where we have the 3 dashes, and then that is an advert. You're going to go right here, and then you're going to be looking for the SSH servers, these ones. Oh yeah, and we're going to continue. I'm going to press right here, and after pressing right there, you're going to go where you have WireGuard server. That is an advert. Ensure to close it, and then after you're going to scroll down until we shall receive such a kind of a page. I recommend you to first complete the captcha, and then you're going to put in your username, mouse tick. Then after, click right here where you have WireGuard server, and wait for a few seconds, if not 6. Let us wait for a few seconds so that our server is created. We have this server which has the private key and others. So you are free to copy this information to your clipboard, or you can download directly the configuration file. In this tutorial, since we are the heading is about creating a configuration file, we're going to just choose option 2, and then after press download, and the file has been downloaded successfully, and it is right now in your directory. So let us go back to the home screen, look for the WireGuard VPN application, open it, and then click here where you have a plus button. Then click where we have import from file or archive. Then look for the file you have downloaded, this one, You can check the time. Maybe you have downloaded this one, and then you're going to re-import. This is the file we have created. Now you're going to import this one, and then after, to connect to this application, click right here, and then by doing this you would have been connected successfully to the unlimited internet in all countries. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video. I sign out, and if you get any problem, comment, like the video.